how to activate your Airtel SIM card. Here's how it works. If we open up the browser on our phone and search for activate Airtel SIM, it's going to show us that we need to send a message to this number 121 from our existing Airtel number. And I'm going to show you how we can do this. So go to your messages, and where it says to, you will type 121. Okay, so that's how you do it here. And the text message itself is going to say SIM in all capitals, and here you will type out your SIM number. And remember that you need to send this from your Airtel SIM. So you type the 20-digit number, and once you type this, you will send it. Now once you send it, then you will need to reply 1 to the confirmation SMS. So you will receive a message from the same number, and you need to type 1 and send it. And then you will have to answer an automated call to provide consent, again by pressing 1. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.